We're going inside the Skyview Observatory. So right now we're going to get our ticket here. The ticketing office. If you have a luggage, you can deposit your luggage. And we'll get our ticket here. Dory, saan tayo? Skyview. We have our ticket here. Saan ticket mo, Dory? See you later. We will face our fears. Ano to? Ayun na. Let's go inside. Hello! Papunta na kami sa taas. Kinakabahan, as usual. Hindi lang pinapahalata. Go, go, go! Fight, fight, fight! Eto, walking. I'm with Dory. Eto, lakad pa. Ayan, sinabihan kami, mag-picture daw kami. Pero as usual, hindi namin kinuha yung picture. Going up kami. Let's go! Ilang years pa ba tayo makaakyat? Ito na, malapit na kami. 219.5 meters above the ground.
The glass slide starts from here on my right. It moves down to level 52. In 52 there is a restaurant, Panorama. Okay, there is a view, observatory, and there is the glass walk. Okay.
So which is first, the slide?
The slide takes you down to level 52. Then from there you can do the rest. You can enjoy the Panorama restaurant. You can enjoy the glass walk, and you can enjoy the observatory view.
So the slide first, ah?
Yes.
Okay.
Right. So if you wish later on again to do one more slide, you just have to come to me. Okay. You can pay 25 by cash or by card.
Okay.
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 Can I have the tickets, please?
Okay, this is it.
Proceed through. Over here. Hello, sir. Just go straight, please.
Walk. Slide lang pag may time. Ito na yung pa-slide.
Okay, wait here.
Pero bago muna yan, meron silang restaurant. Pwede kang kumain dito. Pero wala pang tao kasi maaga pa eh. It's my turn. Kinakabahan ako pero kailangan kong labanan ang aking takot. Let's brace our fears. Eto na po. Diyos ko, Lord. Yes! I did it. Pero mukhang nauntog yata ako doon. Eto, pwede ka rin mag-walk sa edge. Kaya lang, ito yung hindi ko pa kayang gawin. Yan. Yung lalambitin ka, tapos magpapapicture ka. Hindi ko pa kaya yan. Next time. Tapos pwede kang bumaba, mag-take ng picture. I'm with Dory.
malaki makikita mong view. Overlooking Burj Khalifa. At mamaya mag-walk kami dun sa glass. Ito, picture-picture muna. Kinakabahan. Now, this time, it's my turn to walk on this glass. Nangiginig yung mga tuhod ko pero kaya ko yan. Nalulula ako actually. Pero kailangan ko yan. Malayo pa. Marami pa akong lalakarin. Ayan, yan yung makikita mong view. Actually, maganda naman. It's nice experience. Yan. Ito pa, meron pa. Diyos ko, Lord. Matatapos na ba to? Inisip ko na lang, binayaran ko to. Ito, matatapos na. Yes! Eto, tapos ang aming adventure. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Nakakatakot at first pero nakaka-enjoy. So, see you again.